Latest news. Official ticket prices for Da Nang International Fireworks Festival, DIFF, 2026 announced. The information many travelers have been waiting for this summer in Da Nang has now been officially released. Starting now, DANAGO announces the official ticket price list for the Da Nang International Fireworks Festival 2026. This helps visitors easily check ticket prices for each grandstand and choose the best seating area to fully enjoy the spectacular fireworks displays lighting up the sky over the beautiful coastal city. The ticket price list for the Da Nang International Fireworks Festival 2026 has been officially announced with several grandstand categories, giving visitors many options to match their viewing preferences and experience. For the regular competition nights, ticket prices are expected to range from 1,000,000 Vietnamese dongs to 3,500,000 Vietnamese dongs per ticket, depending on the grandstand location and the viewing angle of the fireworks stage along the Han River in Da Nang. For the two most important nights, the opening night and the grand finale, ticket prices will range from 1,500,000 Vietnamese dongs to 4,000,000 Vietnamese dongs per ticket. These two nights feature the most spectacular fireworks performances, combining world-class fireworks displays with impressive music, lighting, and artistic performances. Visitors can contact DANAGO to check the detailed ticket price list and grandstand seating options, making it easier to choose the best seat to fully enjoy the breathtaking fireworks shows. Every moment at Da Nang International Fireworks Festival 2026 will become a shining highlight in your journey to explore Da Nang, where lights, sounds, and emotions come together to create unforgettable memories. At this highly anticipated event, DANAGO is an official ticket distributor for the Da Nang International Fireworks Festival 2026. Authorized by Sun World Group, the event organizer. This ensures genuine tickets, correct prices, and transparent booking. Beyond ticket sales, DANAGO also supports customers with advice on the best competition nights, suitable grandstand seats, and flexible assistance for individuals, families, groups, and corporate clients. Each DIFF 2026 ticket from DANAGO is your gateway to an exciting and unforgettable summer in Da Nang. Step 1. Visit the official online ticket booking website, DANATicket, featuring the title Da Nang International Fireworks Festival 2026 tickets. Step 2. Select the number of tickets, event date, and your preferred seating area. Then click Buy Now. Step 3. Enter your personal information, full name, phone number, address, etc. Note: when selecting the event date, please ensure you choose the correct date of the fireworks show you wish to attend to avoid any booking errors. Step 4. Review your order details. Agree to the website's terms and conditions, and click Place Order. Step 5. Complete your payment, and you will receive your fireworks ticket instantly via QR code. Quick and convenient. In addition to official DIFF 2026 fireworks tickets, DANAGO offers attractive prices with flexible Da Nang tour combos, helping visitors save costs while maximizing their experience. Depending on your schedule, you can choose from one-day Da Nang tours or full packages of 2D1N, 3D2N, 4D3N, or 5D4N, combining fireworks viewing with sightseeing, relaxation, and local coastal cuisine. 5 reasons to buy DIFF 2026 fireworks tickets with DANAGO. 1. DANAGO is the strategic ticket distribution partner of DIFF, ensuring official and trusted tickets. 2. Easy online booking via website, with convenient QR code access. 3. DANAGO is a leading travel company, headquartered in Da Nang. 4. Flexible booking time, tailored to your needs. 5. Professional and dedicated support team, always ready to help. For more details, please contact DANAGO, visit our website at danago.vn, or call our hotline 0833.888 404 for consultation.